Hi guys, I want to share with you my nail cart here and also my nail organization here. So I have been looking for a way to organize my nail polish. When you go to Dollar Tree so many times anyway, you seem to collect a lot of nail polish, and especially if you like to paint your nails or to keep them pretty. So I've been looking for a way to organize them, and I knew probably IKEA had something, but IKEA again is not in our area. It's in Charlotte, and so we still haven't made it there. So let me show you what I used and how I organized my nail items, because they were just getting out of control in the bathroom. So my organizer here, or the wall organizer that I have, the metal one, I got this from Michael's, and they have a new line, fall line, that's called General Store. So there's a lot of cute things that they have in that collection that I'm eyeing, but this one particular item I knew would be great for my nail polish, and it is deep enough to put at least 2 rows. So I've been collecting a lot of the gel kiss polish, and of course I had like Milani. I hope I don't have any missing, but I had a lot of Milani and other brands as well from Dollar Tree and other stores. So anyway, it was $29.99, and I was waiting till it goes on sale like 60% off, but it hasn't, not yet, because it's so new. So I did get it for 40% off, and so I just have some of my polishes up here, and you can put them color coded if you want. That's a good idea, like all your corals together, peaches together, all of your dark colors together. That would be really pretty, but I just did it this way. Also, the obvious, I had to spray this with gold spray paint. So you can leave it at it comes in a gunmetal or a rustic finish, so like a silver gunmetal finish. And so what I did was I spray painted it gold, and I'm really apprehensive of spray painting something that I just purchased. When it gets old, then maybe, but I put it on the wall, and I didn't quite like it didn't quite flow with my craft room, and this is in my craft room as you come in the door, because this is the only spot that I had. So I did do 2 coats of the Krylon Brillant Gold, and it still gave it like a rustic finish, and I think that's because of that type of spray paint, and then also because of the finishes it's already has on it. So you may want to take some type of brush or metal wire brush and maybe get some of that finish off, but I also protected it with a polyurethane spray, so that it can give it a little bit more glossy finish, and to protect it so I don't have to take it off the wall later and spray paint it again, because a lot of stuff that you paint gold, it does end up changing colors eventually. Also, if you pick this up for yourself, the polishes will stand up pretty well, especially these flat bottom ones, but some of them will not. And like, here's an odd one here. So some of these will not. So what I had to do was, you don't have to, because I did it either way. I used a chopping mat from Dollar Tree that I had sitting around in my craft room, and I cut strips and placed that down on the bottom so that it will my polishes will lay flat. And like, they're large enough, the width, that you can get like 2 polishes together if they're shaped like that. If they are shaped, trying to go slow, like this, you can kind of stagger them. And these are the LA colors from Dollar Tree, and these are sucky. So I may end up throwing these away. I was trying to purge some, but I haven't yet. Here is just some from Avon. I just have like 2 or 3 of those. And this is Mally, where she has her gel collection. I had this for a while now, and I got it from I think QVC or HSN, I think QVC. Here I just have more Kiss nail gel polish, and I didn't color code mine because I wanted to see all the different colors, because some of them are so closely together. And then these are Revlon and 60 Seconds, CoverGirl, Maybelline NYC. I don't know what I have in the back. I think that's one e.l.f. This one is CoverGirl in the back. And then I love this. I use this for many, many years. This is Hard as Nails. And a lot of times my nails used to grow before I had surgery super duper fast. And when I would go to the nail shop, the ladies were like, you don't need any acrylic nails, or I can't think of what they are, but all I would need was just an overlay. And then when they came out, or when I started getting gel, that was just like awesome. But they don't grow as fast anymore. But what I was going to say about this, I used to just wear clear nail polish, two coats of this, and I was good. And that kept my nails from breaking. So some more gel polish here by Kiss. And then they have so many colors that are so close together. If you want to like write them all down in your notes in your phone, so that you make sure that you don't get any duplicates. Because some of the colors, I was surprised like this that I didn't get the same color, but they were different. And then up here, guys, I think I shared in a Dollar Tree haul where I picked up these butterflies and from the Dollar Tree, and I just placed them all around here because it needed something. I didn't know what. And then also, Hope is an anchor for the sole. This was actually a longer one, but you can put it, you know, fit it so that it wouldn't be long. It'll go more vertical than horizontal. And that's from the Dollar Tree too. That's a separate decal. Okay guys, so moving here to my nail cart. I knew I wanted a nail cart to move back and forth to my room, and I showed this picture on Instagram, and I said in Facebook, if it worked out, then I will share with you guys. I saw this when I was looking for a lot of the clearance items recently at Target, and I was like, ooh, a different shape. I love these little carts. This was $30. They have them in this gray milky color, and then they also have it in a black. So I was looking for another cart for another purpose, and I was going to give Cottrell my black cart that is just like a catch-all right now, but I'm going to organize that and give him my black cart so he can go off to school. But anyway, let me share with you what's in here and how I organized it. Okay, over here I have some Target one spot holders, and they were just laying around. Some of them I use for entertaining for the table and so forth. So I have like some foot scrubbers and some nail brush cleaners here. All of those fingernail and toenail clippers down in there. Then over here I have some fingernail polish remover, and I have another one over here. And I think, I can't remember, I know some of them vary in the different types, but neither one of them are pure acetone, I don't believe. They might be. So there might be, this one might be 100% or just about all percent acetone. So in the other one here I have like some emery boards, and then a cuticle pusher, a block here, buffing block. Then I have a cuticle cutter, and it is jacked up. It is so jacked up because I was trying, I think I had my nails on at the time when I was going to the salon, and I was soaking them, and it was just making a pure mess. All those different nail files in there. And then also I picked this up from Five Below, and it's actually a like little manicure set in here so that I can take with me. I used to keep it in my purse, so that's really neat or cute. And then also I have some nails, a nail organizer here. So this is a tier organizer, and it has like Wet n Wild nails. Wet n Wild nails here. I had to turn down my light and it's too bright. And then here's some different type of Wet n Wild. And then Revlon in the front. So this acrylic stand is not from Dollar Tree. This one I believe is like from TJ Maxx or Marshall's, where it's a little bit more pricey. So it's not Dollar Tree. I noticed that the Dollar Tree ones run a little bit small, but you can get certain polishes in them. And then in the front I have like the Ultra hardener from Dollar Tree. The Super Strength. And then I think the Rapid Polish, no, Top Coat. And what's this? Rapid Dry. So I think I have 2 of those accidentally. So that's a good thing of organizing your stuff. You realize what you have, because sometimes I buy duplicates and didn't even realize it. I have some of the Dove Beauty cream here, and then the Intensive, which is my favorite cream here. I have some sanitizer, some Bath and Body Works. I love to keep these in my purse. And then this should be up here. And then I also have like some oil, and this came from Dollar Tree as well. Then over here, I have some one-step nail polish remover, the Q-Tex. And this works really well. My mama likes these. She said like, even with the gel polish, not necessarily from Dollar Tree. Well, yeah, Dollar Tree. Most polishes, you can get it off in one swoop. So she likes those, though, but they don't have those all the time. And I think that's another one, the little top. So some of these tops come off, the little white tops. I noticed I was shaking it up and they just flew off across the room. Also here, this is from Dollar Tree, and I put some cotton pads in there. Now I'm on the second shelf. Hey, Saya. I'm on the second shelf, and this one as well, this organizer, it came from TJ Maxx or Marshalls. I think Marshalls, I'm sure, because that's closer to me. So Marshalls. So here I have a lot of Milani here, and then some Essie. Most of the Essie I get from Marshalls because it's $3.99 versus I think like at Walmart it's $11, and I'm sure at the beauty stores they are even more. So I only have like 4 Essies. And I really like the Milani. They're really good. Then over here in this container here, I have some kids nail strips, and some of them might still be old. So I don't like a lot of the nail strips. My favorite are the Sally Hansen's, because they feel like they feel natural on your nail. So those are my favorite. And then I have, and over here on this side, I have a UV, I don't even know if it's UV, but I'm sure it is. I have a gel, what are these things called? You put your gel lamp. And so I actually lost the plug to this, and I have not gotten rid of it because I don't want to buy a new one. So this came with Mally. It was a whole set. It came with like a little soft bag and her polishes and this and a CD on how to do the gel nails and everything. And so hopefully, guys, I can go to Radio Shack, and take this with me, and they'll find a cord that I can use this lamp. So I haven't gotten rid of that yet. And then over here, my mom used to sell Mary Kay. So I love satin hands. And this is the scrub for your nails, the Private Spa collection. And I don't have any lotion, but I have the stuff to get all the dead skin and stuff off your nails. And then over here I have some 3-in-1 cotton set where it has the, from Dollar Tree, it has the cotton balls, cotton pads, and Q-tips. And if you make a, I'm sure you ladies know, if you make a mark on your nails, you can use the Q-tip to get some of the polish off of your hands or your fingers or your cuticles or whatever. So over here on the bottom one, I just have a Coach bag, and I actually picked this up from my purse, but I didn't realize it was so large, and my mom was like, I hope you have to read the dimensions. So I didn't want to put it for his makeup because it's so light and it could mess up, and I don't, yeah, it could mess up. So really it's nothing in here. I do have like some Footworks from Avon, foot massager, and then here's some stuff from White Rain for your feet. And then everything else is just like an extra. I have these everywhere. And then some more cream. So I really don't have too much in here. And I try to keep this bag clean because I wanted it to stay clean. And I just set it in my caddy because I didn't have nowhere else to put it at the present moment. Then over here, this is actually my son's. So I asked him, do you have the top to this? Because I'm doing a YouTube video and I said it here so I could mention it. But you ladies probably already know about that. How you can spray oil sheen on your nails to make them dry faster. They also have sprays that you can purchase too. But I can't remember. I think my mom told me, or her cosmetologist told her, or either I learned it in cosmetology school. So I can't remember, but they do have sprays. But women of color, they use, I know I have all types of women watching this. So women of color, their hair naturally is dry. African American women, so they use oil sheen to moisturize your hair or to give it some sheen. So if you just spray just a little bit of this on your nails, it dries really fast, or faster I should say, and then also it moisturizes your cuticles. But that is Cottrell's, and I need some more. So I was like, I'm doing a YouTube video, you don't have the top to that? And he was like, no. I'm sure he does somewhere in his janky room. Okay, so then moving over here, I have a container from Dollar Tree. And then this also came in that Mally collection, where when you want to soak your nails off or soak the polish off or give yourself a at-home manicure to make your cuticles soft, you would use this. Then I also have, and I use the heck out of this, guys, I probably need to throw it away, the Q-Tex remover. And this is when you put your whole finger in it and get the polish off and let it soak. Also, I forgot I picked this up not too long ago, but I was going through my stuff and I wanted to pull it all out, the Pedi Perfect. So I guess this is kind of almost like my pedicure section down here, not totally. And I also put this down here. I picked up 2 of these. I never found the oil, or the refills. So 2 of those are sitting there. And then also this is just a pumice stone for my feet. The only thing that I see in my cart, you want your feet done? So I gonna put his feet over here, y'all. So I think the only thing that is missing from my cart is cuticle cream that I can think of, and it seemed like it was something else. The spray for the polish for your nails. And is that it? I think that's it. So guys, I hope that this video was helpful for someone, or I just like for my stuff to be out and not closed up and displayed, and then I can move this from my mom, this is in my mom cave, or to my room, or even if I want to take it downstairs, you can have like a spa party for your girls at night or whatever. Thanks so much for watching, guys, as always, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.